This is Milwaukee Sawzall I got off of eBay. I bought it as not working. When I pulled it out of the box, I could see it was missing something important. I only had one brush. So I don't know if there's anything else going on with it, but I want to open it up and see how it looks before I go ahead ordering any parts for it. Alright, here, let me struggle for a while trying to get this fucking boot off. God damn. How the fuck does this come off? It seems like if you push this out, then this guard will just slide out, but I don't know how to get this out because the boot is in the way. You can't just pull the boot off because there's actually a rubber part of the rubber between the guard and the chuck. Trying to take it off without fucking anything up. There you go. So there's that. It's got some Torx screws. T20. I just want to see, like, does everything move okay, and is anything obviously broken, shit like that, before I go putting any more money into this. I only spent 25 bucks on it, so. The big reveal. Nasty, but well, nothing that looks obviously broken. Let me get some gloves. Alright, got my gloves. And this moves okay. So you can see that. In and out. It's like this spring, I guess that. But anyway, yeah, got that helical gear. It looks okay. Smells like grease, I guess. Okay, well, there's that piece, just a little plate, a little bearing. The bearing feels okay. That rubbing is just that fan don't know if that's just because it's all apart, so there's nothing kind of supporting it. Let's get the rest of this apart. Yeah, that was. Alright, now can we just split this handle? There. Oh. That thing's... Oh, there's just like a little barcode for tracking. Okay. Yeah, I don't like this Milwaukee. It's like their like quick connect. I think it's bullshit because they got this proprietary plug. And you gotta buy their special cable, which I bought one, but I might end up returning it, and I might just get like an extension cord and just hardwire it in here. Just cut this off. I don't know. Let's see. Depends on how shitty this saw ends up being, if it's worth putting the money into. But the cable is like 20 bucks. So. Let's look at that armature, or actually, sorry, the commutator bars. How does this pull out? It's just like a potentiometer, I guess. Yeah, there's no electronics in here, I guess, so that's good. Ooh, yeah, those commutator bars are really fucking worn down. You can see that. It's like, it's convex where the brushes were rubbing on it. Concave, rather, I should say. How do we get this guy out? I don't know. Let's get this back part off. Yeah, I wonder if we can buy a new armature for it, but probably not cheap. Probably worth more than the saw. Might not be worth it. Say if we can just make it work as is, that'd be fine. It's too small. It's that T10. T15. Just don't want to forget how it goes back together. It's actually hitting part of the stator, so I guess that means it has to go out back, but this is so frustrating. Just pull off these guys. Remember, they're all white, so. Leave that little ground wire attached. I don't get it. How's this supposed to come apart? Now you can get a better view of how commutators and that concave are just so worn down. Alright, well apparently it's a bitch to get this out, so maybe I can guess I can just clean this up. Just sand it a little bit. Got some fancy German needle nose, these Nipex. I don't really think they're that great, to be honest. I really like the Dykes and I really like the Cobras, but if you tried these needle nose and I have some long bent tip needle nose from them and I just don't like them. They're really flexy. I don't know. I'm an automotive mechanic. I like my needle nose pliers to be super stiff. I really like the snap-on ones. I just don't like these ones very much. I'm stupid. Alright. Today, you gotta be slightly smarter than the machine. Alright, now we have continuity. Yummy. There are these two screws here. I don't know what they're for. Oh, you know what? They're just to hold in that bearing. Okay, well, I got the brushes for the Sawzall. Got them on eBay. It cost me about $7. See if this fixes it. Alright, let's see if it works. And it doesn't work. Damn. Let's take a look in here. Alright, well, one of the brushes wasn't really making contact with the commutator bars, but I think I fixed that. This connector is a little bit sloppy fitting. Tighten it up. Alright, got it back together again. Put the brushes back in. Okay, well, many hours later, it seems to be working, kind of. And I think what I'll do is return this proprietary cord and just find an extension cord. Whoop. And hardwire it in. And I'll probably make another video on that. Thanks for watching.